In this video, I will show you how to order products from JD.com or JD Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your JD shopping app. Have you opened up your JD shopping app? Next thing you want to do is to simply search for products that you want to place order for. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to search for products on JD shopping app. One of the first easy way is to come to the top right here, type the name of the product you are looking for, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can begin to check by different category right here, and you see different products as the case may be. Or you can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more different products is going to load up. However, so after you are able to see a particular product you want to buy, next thing you want to do is to add a product to cart. I've already added all the products to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to check out from the cart, just like so. So this is the product I want to buy. So I'm buying this shoe and this second shoe right here, different size of the same style from JD Chinese shopping app. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to select all the products. Just like so. I'm paying the sum of 112.28 yen to purchase these two shoes from this particular store right here in JD shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Shein, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So just like what you see right here, next thing I'm going to do is to simply scroll down right here, continue to scroll down and choose my means of payment right here. So from these options here, I'm making payment. So from these options here, I'm making payment with my WeChat wallet right here, just like so. And the next thing we want to do here is to go ahead. You can see I'm buying two different pairs of shoes. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. Allow the WeChat Pay to connect. Then go ahead and click on Pay. Then at this point here, I'm going to go ahead and enter my payment password. Payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on back to vendor right here. So here we go, payment done successful. So next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and click on here to go back. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from China using JD shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Shein, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.